Question is, what has Godwin Obaseki done to deserve this treatment? I know this will happen. I said it before that because he refused to be controlled, or he refused to share the money, he refused to appoint those that would destroy his government. He refused to obey Godfatherism. This will happen. Just like I said, if you remember my video, when I said it almost a year ago or 6 months thereabout ago, and I compare him with Ambode of Lagos, that what they did to Ambode of Lagos is what they are going to do to him. That not because he's bad, it's because he's a good government and he refused to share the money. But today, they actually treated him like nobody. But the thing is that Governor Godwin Obaseki, he's not the calculator head. He's not smart. Yes. Why I say not smart, not being subtle. It's the same thing I told what they call him, Sowore. It's what I told Sowore that I'm going to tell him now. So it's the same thing I told Sowore. I'm not a politician. I'm a sound prophet. Anything I say always comes to pass. Although Dionosaje was just joking around, so I still told Dionosaje I'm not seeing him yet, which I know he was joking. Let's put that of John aside. What I told Sowore is what happened to Godwin now. If you know you have it in heart to help your people, and because of Godfatherism you cannot pass, first you have to obey Godfatherism, but for your heart you should know you are not with them, so that your first tenure you have to be like Mumu. It's really enough for you to, all those politicians including Godwin Obaseki, who think in their first tenure they can be an independent, they can speak for themselves. Una no say na Nigeria una dey. It doesn't work like that in Nigeria. If really you are God sent and you know the situation, the system in Nigeria, how it works, I advise you, learn from Ambode of Lagos, and now you should learn from also Godwin Obaseki of Edo State. First, you have to dine and wine with the devil if you know you are God sent to come and better the life of Nigerians. As a politician, you have to come through the devil, because if you are an angel in Nigeria, you don't come through the devil, you will never succeed. You have to come through the devil. Who are the devil? This Godfatherism, this black and white, this APC and PDP. Come under them, pretend like you are one of them, that you are also devil, that you are devil sent to destroy Nigeria, but in your heart you know you are God sent. Down and wine with them. So if you know the first 10 is not enough for you to strike because of the debts they left behind, pretend, dance to Shomule's tune, dance to Tinubu tune, dance to all of their tune, eat with them with long spoon. Then after you pay the first debt in the first tenure and the whatever, then the second one, that is when you know you can better the life of your people and become very stubborn, and because you have reached the top, that is when you have to strike. But una think una can strike. Do you know what is happening in Abuja? Being you governor doesn't make you superior in Abuja. And remember, you are a state governor. I'm sorry, and I accept my sympathy, Governor Godwin Obaseki. You are not my friend, you are not my enemy, but I know you are a very slow man in nature, but you are a good man. Yes, you are a good man, because I have had one-on-one contact with you, although not in face-to-face. When I brought my campaign down to Edo State in December 6, 2016, we went to your office, went to the Oba of Benin Palace, went to University of Benin, marketplaces, Union of Journalists, and many other places. You send somebody to represent you. We were not happy. We make a comment which you called my organization personally to apologize that you are in support, that you put an end to the human trafficking, which you actually did. You traveled to Italy, you traveled to many countries, and to God be the glory, it was in your time that the human trafficking that have eaten the taproot of our useful youth has finally come to an end, which I'm so proud of you. But I pray if there is any other way you can resurrect in this second tenure, we will appreciate. Because any government, when they say no good, when in your cause they fight again, you know it's the best government in Africa. I know you are good. I know you are one of the best, but sluggish in nature doesn't make you a bad person. People don't seem to understand you because you are a very slow person in nature. You cannot force yourself. You cannot walk faster than your shadow. People should understand Governor Obaseki that is his nature, that is his shadow. But meanwhile, as far as I'm concerned, he is one of the best governors that has ever ruled Edo State. You people may not know him now, but when he is gone, you people will start to cry again like how you cry for Jonathan. Jonathan and Godwin Obaseki, they are of the same nature. They are like chameleon. They are very calculative. They are very slow. But because they are not so versatile, talking nonsense or dancing or throwing money on air, people take them for granted. But remember this video. You people are going to cry for Godwin Obaseki to come back. Godwin Obaseki, people are going to cry. You know that because you die, you will not die, but they will cry. They will never knew you are like this positively. This is one of the best government Edo State has ever produced. He is one of the best government Edo State has ever produced. But if you miss him and if you let him go, if he didn't come to do what he has to do or complete, this video, save it. Many people might say, go inside, what are you saying? Because of politics. I am not a politician, but you people will cry. He's not my friend. I've almost never said something 50% good about him. I've never discriminated him, but anytime he did something wrong, like destroying the property of Tony Kabaka, I came out and I spoke and I condemn it. That is it. I'm 50-50. If you are good, I say something good about you. If you are bad, I say something bad about you. But both spirit and life, this is one of the best government Edo State has ever produced. Take it or leave it. Una know as Agbero shop una for Edo State. Agbero became the richest people in Edo State. People when they go school, they don't get work. And no government has ever done that. How many years ago, when human trafficking done the 4 people for Edo State who don't try? Nobody. Lucky Gbene don't come, he not try. His wife self go there, go deport people, he not work. Oshomule, he not even try. Can't them? This man, this slow in nature, na best man. Thomas. Somebody is in the gate. The block man opened door for him to come here. The man that supplied block yesterday. So this is where I'm going to stop. I'm not a politician, but anytime I make video in less than a year, they call me to say, "Ah, you said it." I don't talk him again. I pray and I wish he can gain access and complete his 4 years because he's yet to do something. He's going to do something. But if he cannot make it, we cannot kill ourselves, but we will always cry like what we did to Jonathan. This man is a carbon copy of Jonathan. No can wait for the next government. She been Oshomule still the rule. If Oshomule rule before, he not do anything. Instead, they tell the widows go and die. Shomule is an Agbero. It's an Agbero. So whosoever that is going to rule now, that is indirectly, directly Oshomule that is still ruling Edo State, like Tinubu ruling Lagos State. Is Lagos State like Lagos? If you say Lagos, do you know Lagos? Nothing in Lagos. So all the best houses, they are for Tinubu. So it's what you people will be experiencing in Edo State very soon. Everything will be for Shomule. You can come and sit. Everything will be for Shomule. That time you people will be begging this man to come back. Second chance will not be there. Sorry. Oh. All right. Wherever you are, Godwin Obaseki, the only thing you are going to regret, and that might even be the reason why the ancestor did not support you now. That Tony Kabaka hotel you destroy, I pray that hotel will forgive you. And whether you win second time, whether you don't win, you have to go and rebuild that house for Tony Kabaka. I'm not saying Tony Kabaka is a good person. I'm not saying he's a bad person. But for you should have seized that property and let that property be for government, and even pay Tony Kabaka. Say, take your money, leave government house. We are using this office. We are going to use here for something. You destroy that house. You go pay. Oh. If you not pay now, your children go pay. So it's better you go and pay Tony Kabaka. Not go and pay. That is the only thing that people have against you, as far as I'm concerned. The way they build Edo State, you can't destroy that kind of thing. All the good things when you don't build for Edo State, you don't see the one we find rich like Tony Kabaka investment. So that is the only area where you make mistake. But outside that, you are a good man. But I know say you use Tony Kabaka property to take pray politics. You take and pray politics. Yes, I know say na policy you take and play. But that is not how they play politics. You remember, say after politics, you go enter house. After politics, you become ordinary person like me and you and Tony Kabaka. And see where how God now they let you know, say, even if you are good, people they when they not let you pass. The same way you not let Tony Kabaka pass now, you see how people they broke you now. Sometimes what we sow is what we reap. You are a good man, but the time you have power over Tony Kabaka, thinking you are Almighty God, ordinary human being, and he broke you. Ordinary human being, and he broke you now. The same way you think you have everything, you broke Tony Kabaka. You can't see how God now can't allow ordinary human being broke you. This is what they call karma. Instant judgment. What goes around come around. What come around goes around. It doesn't matter how Tony Kabaka make his money. You use your authority to stop him from growing and destroy his wherever he make that money. Now that is because you think you are governor of Edo State, you have the upper hand. Look at now, people who now have upper hand against you now, they refuse you to pass. I pray you forgive Tony Kabaka. Tony Kabaka forgive you so that you too, they will also forgive you so that you will pass if you still want to be a politician. This hand watch this hand, that hand watch that hand, everything clean. So make Edo State great place. Edo State too small. Edo State not develop when you would break beautiful houses. Yeah, that is the only mistake I know. I mean personally I have against you. Yes, Tony Kabaka is not my friend, but for you to destroy that beautiful structure, creature, gigantic, that means sometimes you can also be sluggish and dangerous. All right. I pray for Edo State that will go forward, backward never. I bless each and every one of you. Carry go. One love.